Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Well done, Shabana ji. We love you. Jayanti, I would love to ask you what you're feeling at this moment. She said, "Good Lord," before I gave you the mic.
Good evening. Sorry for coming in late. Sorry, Shweta. Sorry, Karan. We got held very badly in traffic. I knew she would do this. Since she was a child, I knew she would someday write. Mother's instinct. What else? You just asked me one question.
No, that's it. You have nothing else to add to that? You knew she would write. Mother's instinct, that totally we all knew she would write. In fact, I was hoping that one day she'll act, but that won't happen.
I think that she's very inspired by your screenplay writing.
Oh, me?
Yes. Because the way you detail your characters, I think that's what she's done in this book. I was actually quite surprised, and I keep saying, Shweta, is this character that person we knew? Is this character? She says, no, Mom, no.
She's totally lying. They're all real people. And she's just not telling us. She's inspired by many people, and people perhaps is sitting in this room here. You'll never know, they may have found their way into her book. Even I feel some of the characters are very close to people that I think you and I both know. We'll discuss that later, Auntie Jay, but thank you. Thank you for being here. Amit Uncle, may I please ask you what you're feeling at this moment?
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for having us here. It's a moment of great pride and honor, very emotional for parents to be at the launch of their daughter's book. As a father, I feel very privileged because she's my daughter, and daughters have a special place in my heart. I wish her all the very best. All I can say for the moment is I'd endorse what Karan said a little earlier on, that she really is the best actor in the family. Every time we go through some kind of a moment in the day, during any event, there's always a little family meeting at the end of the event at home. And she takes over and does a takeoff on everyone that was present there. I do look forward to this evening when she will do a takeoff on tonight's event. She's also very perceptive about observation, and I do rely on her many a times, as does the rest of the family, on many incidents that may happen within the city, within the home, within the country, within the world. She has an opinion. Many a times we discuss, I do, the outcome of a film that I may have done or a film that she may have seen. And I have to say that she's always been right. When she says that a film is going to do well, it does well. When she says it's not going to do well, it turns out exactly right. So many a times I have begun to share some of my scripts. I'm afraid I couldn't do many of them earlier on, and I want to be excused for that. But recently, though, she has been extremely helpful, very perceptive in giving me ideas and thoughts on what I was working on. I can only give you my love and my blessings, Shweta, and thank you so much, all of you, for being here today to encourage her to grow, not just as my daughter, but as a woman and as a lady. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Amit Uncle. And may I also now please request you to read your favorite passage from the book for all of us. It would be an absolute honor. Thank you.
And yeah, I probably will be surprised.
Right. Before we open it up to questions, I just want to bring it back to the idea of the Paradise Towers movie. We are, we are in Bombay. We have everyone here. And I just want to see, do you picture some of these people as actors? While writing about them, did you visualize anyone like that?
No.
No. And do you think this is going to be more a Zoya Akhtar movie or more a Karan Johar movie? Let me put you on the spot.
I don't want to get into trouble. It's going to be crossover.
Okay, point noted. All right, let me take some questions from the audience. Everyone's scared of going first. Yes,
Everybody,
Bhavnaji.
yes, everybody feels shy to ask questions, so I just think I have to offer it. So, Shweta, you say you're nervous, but you are doing very well. And we would like you to look at us also and answer, and not just look at Raja Sen, because we are feeling jealous. So, you said that you're feeling nervous, but there must be other things also that you're feeling at the moment. What was your first thought when you woke up this morning?
I was just nervous. I couldn't think.
And what did your mother say when she read the book?
Should we hand the mic over to her?
Yes, please. No, give the phone to her.
No, you. She said pretty much what everyone said is, how do you know the world of a building so well? You've never lived in one. And she found it very visual. She found it uplifting, and she said that we're living in such troubled times, and it's nice to read a fresh, happy book like this, right?
And what did Dad say?
He's making his way through the book. No, he's making his way through some of the pages.
I've read portions of the book. What actually interested me and surprised me was the very minute details in describing something very ordinary. And I just love that. As she said while she was talking to Raja, that she found something extraordinary in even the littlest of moments. But how well to be able to design that in words, that was very fascinating for me.